How to connect AliExpress to Shopify. So first, go to your Shopify admin dashboard here and just click on the search bar at the top. We're going to search for Deezers. And then click on the application here. Then click on install. After that, just click on install again. Then click on confirm and click on AliExpress here. Then what you'll need to do here is log in your AliExpress account. After signing in, you'll be able to connect your AliExpress to your Shopify. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.